Welcome to Auto Review Pro, your go-to source for the latest and most detailed insights into the automotive world. In this video, we take a closer look at the 2026 Prevent Toyota Motorhome, a groundbreaking blend of Japanese engineering and modern motorhome luxury. Designed to meet the needs of adventurers and full-time travelers alike, this vehicle brings innovation, comfort, and functionality into a single sleek package. The 2026 Prevent Toyota Motorhome showcases an aerodynamic exterior with smooth contours, LED headlamps, and an extended windshield for enhanced visibility. Built on a rugged yet efficient Toyota chassis, this motorhome is both durable and fuel-efficient. The bold front grille, integrated step entry, and stylish body lines give it a modern appearance while ensuring practicality. With solar panels installed on the roof, it also promotes energy sustainability for off-grid journeys. Under the hood, the 2026 Prevent Toyota Motorhome is powered by a reliable 3.5-liter hybrid V6 engine that delivers a balance between performance and fuel economy. Paired with a refined CVT transmission, the powertrain ensures seamless driving, even over long distances. Thanks to its intelligent traction control and adaptive cruise system, the motorhome maintains stability across various terrains, making it suitable for mountain roads and open highways alike. Inside, the cabin is a true luxury living space on wheels. The interior features a combination of wood accents, ambient lighting, and plush upholstery. The living area includes a convertible sofa, a dining table, and a fully functional kitchenette equipped with an induction cooktop, microwave, and smart refrigerator. The sleeping quarters consist of a queen-size bed with overhead storage, while the rear hosts a spacious bathroom with a stand-up shower, sink, and chemical toilet. Every inch of the motorhome has been optimized for comfort and efficiency. Technology is another strong point in the 2026 Prevent Toyota Motorhome. A digital infotainment hub controls the lighting, temperature, security cameras, and entertainment system. Smart device integration and high-speed internet connectivity ensure you stay connected, even while traveling remotely. Safety features include lane departure warning, forward collision mitigation, 360-degree cameras, and blind spot monitoring, providing a secure driving and living experience. Practicality is enhanced through large exterior storage compartments, an extendable awning with LED lighting, and a built-in water filtration system. The motorhome also comes with a backup generator and battery management system, making it a great choice for extended outdoor adventures. Whether you are heading into the mountains or planning a cross-country trip, the 2026 Prevent Toyota Motorhome is built to handle it all with grace and reliability. This motorhome is not just about travel. It is about redefining your journey with every mile. Its combination of comfort, style, and dependability makes it one of the most desirable options in the 2026 motorhome lineup. If you are a fan of RV life or looking to explore the newest innovations in mobile living, this is a model worth serious consideration. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated with more automotive content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. This is Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the world of automobiles.